If I'm able to see or not. Hi. If you want to become pilot in India, you basically have two main paths. And trust me, if you choose the wrong one, you'll end up wasting a lots and lots of time. You may feel stuck your entire journey. So in this video, I'll be explaining both paths very clearly so you guys can decide what actually is right for you. Let's get into the video straight. Hi guys, my name is Aarti Vadva and I'm a CPL holder and I've gone through all this journey conventionally. And I get this question a lot, like in my comment section, in my DMs. I get this question a lot. Should we go for the conventional path? Should we go for the cadet path? Which one is better? Which one is not? What are the advantages, disadvantages? Lots and lots of things. So I'll explain everything in this video very simply in a more practical way. Let's get into the video. So for the first, we come for the conventional route. This is like the most common path a lot of people go through. First, you start with your ground subjects. You have to clear your metrics, navigation, technical subjects. Once your ground subjects are clear, once you're done with your coaching, or if you're not taking coaching and clearing your subjects by yourself, great. And once you're done with your subject, then move ahead for your flight training. You join a flying school, start your flying, build your hours, and complete your CPL. That is commercial pilot license on your own. And after completing your CPL, either you apply for the airlines or you can become a flight instructor as you want and build some experience. So this is basically like the full flow path of the conventional route. If we talk about the advantages, the biggest advantage in this route, I guess, is the freedom. As like you can choose your own flying school, you can decide where you want to go for your flying, you can plan your journey on your own. Also, like you'll get the real exposure of the things, like handling the delays and like managing the situation, all in all situation by yourself, dealing with the real flying conditions, flying hours, a lot of things. This actually makes you strong. It's like it actually brings the strong understanding to the person. But if we talk about the disadvantages, with the freedom comes the responsibility. Like you have to manage everything yourself, like you have to manage the weather delays or as well, like instructor availability, aircraft issues. Like in my training, I've seen lots and lots of small things can actually slow down your flying, your overall progress. So that's the point. And if I talk about the cost, initially conventional route looks more convenient and more affordable than the cadet. Actually is affordable than the cadet, but but in reality there are a lot of delays, there are a lot of rechecks जिनकी वजह से वो कॉस्ट कटिंग यार इक्वल हो, नॉट इक्वल, आई वोंट से कि भाई बिल्कुल इक्वल हो जाती है, बट कंपैरेटिवली उसके बहुत पास, हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन these things to you guys, कि बहुत इक्वल पहुंच जाती है कॉस्ट कटिंग बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ flying school man, there are a lot of rechecks, there are a lot of delays, all of this, there are lots and lots of hidden cost. All of this can actually increase your total investment. So I guess financial planning is a lot more important. If we talk about the pressure here is mainly because of the uncertainty. You don't have a fixed structure, you don't stay consistent, you have to stay patient, you have to like stay consistent, but I don't know, like managing things on your own is really difficult. You have to take that responsibility. And if we talk about the job scenario, which is the most important part, like after CPL, there's no job guaranteed, guys. You have to prepare for airlines on your own, clear interviews. Either you take classes for that or something. After completing your CPL, like you compete with many candidates, and like or you become an instructor and build the experience. This route actually gives you the flexibility, but at the same time it actually tests your patience and the self management thing as well. If we talk about the cadet pilot program, you first clear the selection process, like the written psychometric interview, then you go for the training, your flight training, your type rating, everything is a part of that program, and now you're more aligned with the airline from the beginning. If we talk about their advantages, you get proper guidance, you get like the fixed training path, you get the clear direction, and you don't have to figure everything out by yourself. Also, if we compare it to the conventional, it's like you have now better clarity about the path towards the airline. Now you know in which airline you're gonna go. And if we talk about the disadvantages, as like there are important downsides as well in the each part. First is like high investment. Second, the selection process is actually tough. Third, the pressure is high because now you have invested a lot of money and you have to perform at every stage, so it builds that pressure in your mind. And now we talk about the cost in the cadet pilot program. They actually require like a lots of large upfront investment, so like financial planning actually becomes very important. I can't give you the exact numbers. You can go through the website, you can contact the cadet programs to know the exact amounts. I can't give you that, but the investment is actually high. They're like around 1.2 cr, 3 cr something. So you have to perform at every stage. Like the pressure is real. Pressure here is high performance based. You have continuous checks, you have structured evaluations, and you need to perform consistently. Now if we talk about the reality check, cadet program is not a guarantee. You still need to perform well, you still need to clear all the stages. You cannot just take it very lightly. So the and even you cannot take the conventional thing lightly because you're doing it on your own, but you're doing it for yourself. If you choose that path, you have to stay consistent, you have to stay punctual. Flying के लिए you have to stay मतलब विजिलेंट अपनी चीज़ों को लेके क्योंकि तुमने चूज किया है. एंड स्टिल इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन कैडेट, दैट डजंट मीन you haven't invested anything in the conventional because your parents have. I know the amount may be little less, but the pressure is still real. So, like, the real truth is, after understanding both, I think if some people actually think like the cadet program is a shortcut and the conventional route is a failure path, but I've seen people succeeding in both. Actually, like, people succeed in both, people struggle in both. And at the end of the day, it all depends on your mindset, your consistency, and how you actually handle that pressure. So, like, the end of the day, don't go for the easiest path. Choose the one you actually can sustain. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And I'll see you in the next one. I hope I'll be uploading the next video soon. So, stay consistent and bye bye. I liked enjoy and I actually enjoyed shooting this video. I want to show you the whole view. मेरे को इतनी डिफिकल्टी हुई है अपना फ्रेम चूज करने की. Bye guys. So I love this view. I just love this view. I love shooting here. So yeah, bye. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.